The art of engineered psychological wounds. Trauma is often viewed as an unfortunate byproduct of life's hardships, but in the hands of a manipulator, it can become a deliberate tool for control. Trauma sculpting refers to the calculated engineering of emotional wounds, ensuring that a victim remains vulnerable, dependent, and easily manipulated. Unlike spontaneous trauma, which results from unforeseen life events, trauma sculpting is intentional and strategic, often used in abusive relationships, cults, and high-control organizations. Understanding trauma sculpting. Trauma sculpting occurs when a manipulator creates or intensifies emotional distress in another person to shape their thoughts, behaviors, and self-perception. This process ensures that the target remains in a constant state of emotional instability, making them more susceptible to influence. Key elements of trauma sculpting include induce self-doubt. The victim is led to believe they are inadequate or fundamentally flawed. Emotional conditioning. Painful emotional triggers are reinforced repeatedly to keep the victim in a state of distress. Dependence creation. The manipulator presents themselves as the only source of relief, deepening the victim's reliance on them. Intermittent validation. Occasional praise is given to keep the victim hopeful and engaged, prolonging the cycle of abuse. Identity erosion. The victim's self-concept is gradually dismantled and replaced with one that serves the manipulator's agenda. Psychological mechanisms behind trauma sculpting. Trauma sculpting leverages several psychological tactics to achieve long-term influence. Classical conditioning. The victim is trained to associate certain thoughts or behaviors with punishment, reinforcing control. The Stockholm effect. Trauma. Bonding keeps the victim emotionally attached to their manipulator, even in the face of harm. Cognitive dissonance. The victim struggles to reconcile the trauma with the occasional kindness from the manipulator, trapping them in mental conflict. Hypervigilance induction. Keeping the victim in a state of stress ensures they are always bracing for the next emotional attack. Emotional fragmentation. The victim's emotions are manipulated in such a way that they no longer trust their own instincts or perceptions.